guys, welcome to Skin First Daily, where we talk about all things, you guessed it, skincare. Today is our first episode of our Like a Pro series, where we talk about how to do skincare like a pro, like a boss. Yes, our first episode features sheet masking. Yes, I love sheet masking. I'm going to show you how to sheet mask like a professional. We are going to feature a mask by Joana Vargas, and it's the Forever Glow Anti-Aging Face Mask for smoothing and renewing. It's very hydrating. I've used this before. I really like it. So before we start, let's get comfortable. So now we're comfortable, let's start. So step one, start with a clean face. What I like to do for a clean face is double cleanse. You can use two cleansers. I use one with salicylic acid and I use the other one with glycolic acid. So the reason is because I use those two products to constantly fight acne. So step two, use a toner, which helps to balance the pH. So for step three, I use a serum. Serums are optional. You don't have to use it, but I like to use it for the extra boost. I use different serums depending on the mask that I'm using. So for example, I'm using this anti-aging mask, so therefore I would be using a brightening serum. But if I was using a brightening mask, I would use maybe an anti-aging serum, kind of like just to balance it out. Step four, apply the mask. Step 5, use a moisturizer. It's also optional depending on your skin types. So if you have oily skin, I would suggest don't use moisturizer. But if you have dry or combination skin, then yes, use a moisturizer over your face. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have learned how to use a face mask like a pro.